In this video, we're going to study word problems involving sets. Here is the sample problem. 25 students were asked if they use Facebook, Twitter, or both. 15 students use Facebook, while 12 students use Twitter. All students use at least one of two services. Questions: how many students use Facebook only? How many students use Twitter only? How many students use both Facebook and Twitter? Now, in solving word problems involving sets, there are only three parts. First part is writing the given in the problem. Second part is populating the Venn diagram. And the third part is writing our answer. So let's start now with the first part. So writing the given in the problem. So the given in the problem are not set elements, but the given in the problem are cardinalities. Now we recall that cardinality of a set is the number of elements of a given set. So first, let's determine the cardinality of the universal set. So how many elements are there given in the universal set? So let's find out what is our universal set in the problem. Okay, so this set is the set of 25 students is our universal set. So therefore, the cardinality of the universal set is 25. And then we have another set. There is a set of students here who use Facebook, and we let set of students who use Facebook as set F, and the cardinality of set F is equal to 15, since there are 15 students who use Facebook. Another set in the problem is the set of students who use Twitter. So we let T for that set of students who use Twitter. And the cardinality N of set T is equal to, there are 12 students who use Twitter. Okay, so we're done with the given. So next, let's proceed to our Venn diagram. Okay, so the first circle here represents set F, and the second circle represents set T. Okay, so observe that in set F, there are two regions, S sub 1 and S sub 2. And set T, there are two regions, S sub 2 and S sub 3. And we have S sub 4 is the region outside set F and set T, but this is a region which is part of the universal set. Okay, so here let's go back to the last statement in the problem. This is very important. All students use at least one of two services. This is very important. What's the meaning of this statement? Okay, the meaning of this is that all the 25 students surveyed responded that they were able to use at least one of two services. So therefore, since all of the students have used at least one of two services, the union of set F and set T is already our universal set. And that means that this S sub 4 is empty or null set. Okay, let's add another information for our given. Now, we can see here that since the union of set F and set T is our universal set, so therefore, N of U is just the same with N of F union T. Or the regions that belongs to this are, so the cardinality therefore of the union of S sub 1, union S sub 2, and union S sub 3. Okay, so what about the cardinality of set F or set F? Now, observe that set F has regions S sub 1 and S sub 2. So therefore, N of F is just the same with N of S sub 1 union S sub 2. And N of T is just the same with N of S sub 2 union S sub 3. Okay, so let's start populating the Venn diagram now. So we need to compute for or find the cardinality of S sub 1, S sub 2, and S sub 3, so that we could determine the answers to the given problem. Okay, so let's start determining the cardinality of S sub 1. So let's compute for n of S sub 1. So n of S sub 1. So what will be our formula? How are we going to compute n of S sub 1? Now observe that the union of set F and set T is our universal set. So universal set minus the cardinality of set T, or the union of S sub 2 and S sub 3. If we subtract the cardinality of set T from the universal set, we can get S sub 1, the cardinality of S sub 1. So therefore, the formula is cardinality of the universal set minus the cardinality of set T. And let's substitute the given in the formula. What is the cardinality of our universal set? We have 25. So 25 minus the cardinality of set T is 12. Minus 12. So 25 minus 12 is 13. So therefore, we have already computed and populated the region for S sub 1, and the answer here is 13. Now, next, let's compute for n of S sub 2, cardinality of S sub 2. Okay, so what is our formula? Now, take note that the union of S sub 1 and S sub 2 is the set F. So, set F minus the cardinality of set F minus the cardinality of S sub 1, we can determine the cardinality of S sub 2. So we have the formula n of F minus the cardinality of F minus the cardinality of S sub 1. Okay, so what is the cardinality of set F? We have 15, right? So 15 minus the cardinality of S sub 1, which we have computed already, 13. So 15 minus 13 is, the answer is 2. So therefore, the cardinality of S sub 2 is 2. Okay, next, let's compute for n of S sub 3. So let's use the space here. N of S sub 3. So what is our formula? Okay, observe that S sub 3, union of S sub 3 and S sub 2 is the set T. So if we subtract the cardinality of S sub 2 from the cardinality of set T, we can get the cardinality of S sub 3. So our formula will be cardinality of set T minus the cardinality of S sub 2. So what is the cardinality of set T? So we have 12 minus the cardinality of S sub 2 is 2. So that 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So therefore, our n of S sub 3 is 10. Okay. So now, since we are done populating our Venn diagram, we can already determine the answers to the questions in the problem. Now, first question. How many students use Facebook only? Okay, so what region in the Venn diagram represents Facebook only? So we have S sub 1. So here, this region represents Facebook only. So therefore, the answer is 13. Second question. How many students use Twitter only? So what region in the Venn diagram represents Twitter only? So we have S sub 3. So Twitter only. So therefore, the answer is 10. Okay. Next question, letter C, or the third question. How many students use both Facebook and Twitter? Okay, so what region in the Venn diagram represents both Facebook and Twitter? So this is the intersection of set F and set T, or the S sub 2 region. So the cardinality of S sub 2 is 2, so the answer therefore to question number 3 is 2. And that's it.